Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add an email opt-in form in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's email opt-in module, which makes it easy to connect to services like MailChimp or ConvertKit and grow your email list. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Go to the page where you want to place your opt-in form, click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row works well for forms, but you can also place them in multiple columns if you want the form next to text or images. Next, click the plus icon and search for the email opt-in module. Add it to your row. By default, you will see a form with a name field, email field, and a button. Open the module settings and in the Content tab go to Service Provider. Here you can choose your email service, such as MailChimp or ConvertKit. You will need to enter your API key from your email marketing account so Divi can connect to it. Once connected, you can pick the audience or list where new subscribers will be added. Below that, you can customize the text fields and button. For example, you might change the title to Join Our Newsletter, the description to get updates and exclusive offers straight to your inbox, and the button text to Subscribe Now. Now move to the Design tab to style the form. You can adjust the input fields, change fonts and colors, and design the button with your brand colors. You can also add a background color, gradient, or even an image behind the form to make it stand out. If you want a modern look, you can round the corners and add shadows. Once you are happy with the design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your email opt-in form live and connected to your email provider. This is a simple and effective way to collect leads and grow your audience directly from your WordPress site using Divi. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.